Samsung just quietly dropped One UI 8.5 Beta 3. But this isn't just another boring update. There are hidden AI upgrades, a feature that changes how you watch videos, and something Samsung didn't even clearly mention. And honestly, one of these features might completely change how you use your phone every day. So the real question is, should you update right now or wait? Before watching, please do not forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get notified on daily tech updated. This is Tech Insights, and today we're diving deep into One UI 8.5 Beta 3 on the Galaxy S24 series. And trust me, there's more going on here than just bug fixes. So let's start with what Samsung officially tells you, and then we'll get into what they don't tell you. At first glance, this update looks pretty standard, around 800 megabytes in size, still running the same April security patch, and the changelog mostly talks about fixes, like incoming call screen delays, proximity sensor issues, camera glitches in 4K HDR, Bluetooth crashes, and some touch problems. Nothing exciting, right? But here's where things get interesting. Samsung quietly packed in new Galaxy AI features, and they didn't properly explain them. So if you just read the update notes, you'd completely miss the biggest upgrades. Let's start with the feature that surprised me the most, Audio Eraser for third-party apps. Before this update, Audio Eraser was limited, but now it works inside apps like YouTube and Instagram, and this is huge. Imagine watching a video with background noise, traffic, wind, music. You can now literally reduce or remove that noise in real time. There are multiple levels, from light reduction all the way to aggressive filtering, but the real magic happens when you push it to the max. It unlocks something called voice focus, and this is where it feels almost futuristic. Your phone isolates the human voice and suppresses everything else. Music fades, noise disappears, and suddenly it feels like the person is talking directly to you, even in a chaotic video. This isn't just a feature, it's a completely new way of consuming content. Now let's talk about another underrated addition, call screening. Spam calls are getting worse every year, and Samsung is finally stepping up. With this feature, your phone can answer unknown calls for you. It asks the caller who they are and why they're calling, before you even pick up. So instead of guessing or risking spam, you already know what's waiting on the other side. It's simple, it's smart, and honestly, it saves time. Next up, Creative Studio. Now, this is where Samsung is clearly pushing AI creativity. Inside this tool, you can generate stickers, wallpapers, greeting cards, even profile designs, just by typing what you want. And yes, it gets better. There are new styles like childhood sketch and marker drawing that give your creations a unique look. You're not just editing anymore, you're creating from scratch. It feels like Samsung is turning your phone into a mini design studio. Now here's something subtle, but important. Core apps like the launcher, camera, gallery, and lock screen have all been updated behind the scenes. You might not notice it instantly, but these small version upgrades usually mean smoother performance, better optimization, and fewer random bugs. Basically, your phone just feels more refined. But let's address the one thing everyone always talks about after updates: battery drain. Some users are reporting slightly higher battery usage, but let's be real, this happens after almost every update. Most of the time, it's just the system re-optimizing in the background. If you do notice battery issues, a simple restart or running device optimization usually fixes it, and One UI 8.5 is actually smarter now. It can automatically optimize your phone over time without you doing anything. So overall, not a deal breaker. Now here's the big picture. This update might look small, but it's actually laying the foundation for something bigger. Samsung is clearly doubling down on AI, making it more useful, more integrated, and more invisible in your daily usage. And the best part? These features aren't staying limited to just one device. They are spreading across newer Galaxy phones, which means Samsung is building a connected AI ecosystem. So should you install One UI 8.5 Beta 3 if you like testing new features early and don't mind minor bugs? Yes, absolutely. The AI improvements alone make it worth trying. But if you want maximum stability, it might be better to wait for the final release. Either way, this update proves one thing. Samsung isn't just updating software anymore. They are reshaping how we interact with our phones, and this is just the beginning.